Welcome. Some of you may be a little confused about some of the terminology that I will use. So here is an introduction to the word chakra. Now the word chakra comes from an ancient Indian language known as Sanskrit. Chakra literally means vortex, spinning wheel, or circle. Chakras are the major centers of spiritual power in the human body and are viewed as circles of energy which balance, store, and distribute the energies of life all throughout our physical body along the subtle channels called nadis in the body. Now the subtle body is the non-physical body, or otherwise known as our soul or spirit, which overlays our physical body. These chakras or energy centers function as pumps or valves, regulating the flow of energy through our wonderful, amazing energy center. The functioning of the chakras reflects decisions we make concerning how we choose to respond to conditions in our life. We open and close these valves when we decide what to think and what to do, and through the perpetual filters we are choosing to experience our life through. The belief in chakras began in India and is utilized in Ayurvedic medicine. Now, the earliest records of Ayurvedic dates back from around 2,500 years before Christ. The word Ayurvedic comes from two ancient Indian words, Aya meaning life, and Veda meaning knowledge. Ayurvedic, or life knowledge medicine, may be interpreted as knowledge on how to lead a healthy life. Ayurvedic medicine observes illnesses as unevenness in our bodies, which may be treated with a mixture of meditation, physical exercise, and herbal treatments. Now, our chakras are not physical. They are aspects of consciousness in the same way that auras are aspects of consciousness. The chakras are more dense than the auras, but not as dense as the physical body. They interact with the physical body through two major vehicles, the endocrine system and the nervous system. Each of the 7 main chakras is associated with one of the 7 endocrine glands, and also with a group of nerves called a plexus. Thus, each chakra can be associated with particular parts of the body and particular functions within the body controlled by that nerve plexus or that particular endocrine gland. Now, if you could imagine chakras of circles of energy flowing all the way through your body, these circles of energy will assist in the running of your body, mind, and soul. If a chakra is not performing correctly, this may cause our physical health, mental health, and our spiritual selves to suffer. Now, when you feel tension in your consciousness, you feel it in the chakra associated with that part of your consciousness. We experience the stress and in the parts of the physical body associated with that chakra. Where you feel your stress depends upon why you feel stress. The tension in the chakra is detected by the nerves of the plexus associated with that chakra and transmitted to the parts of the body controlled by that plexus. When the tension continues over a period of time or to a particular level of intensity, the person creates a symptom on the physical level. The symptom speaks a language that reflects the idea that we each create our reality, and the metaphoric significance of the symptom becomes apparent when the symptom is described from that point of view. Thus, rather than saying, "I can't see," The person would describe themselves as seeing something. I can't walk means the person has been keeping themselves from walking away from a situation in which they are unhappy, and so on. But this is far beyond the realm of this course to go to that kind of depth.